Hello again guys, I'm Cole from Dagtail. Hope you're all well. Welcome to the channel if you're new. Just wanted to say thanks for all the great comments on the last video regarding battery equipment. What I've got from that is battery is definitely the way to go, but also you're still going to need some petrol tools for doing some of the rough jobs, just to save the wear and tear on the battery equipment. But saying that, I suppose there's going to come a time when your battery equipment's going to get old, and that's going to need replacing. So you might just use your older battery equipment just for doing the rough jobs, and your newer equipment for doing the more pristine jobs. Anyway, we're at a job today, a commercial job, and it's a job where I have a schedule from March all the way to Christmas, and generally the visits are every 2 weeks. Good thing about this place, if I ever need to add in an extra visit, you know, because the grass is growing quickly in the summer, they don't question it. They just, you know, we just come and send the invoice and they pay. So this is one of the good things about some of the commercial jobs. It's less up close and personal with the client, and the money's a lot less personal as well. I mean, to me, commercial job money or residential money, it's all good money to me. But I'll give you an example. We were booked in here yesterday for a day, and we did our main task yesterday, which was reducing some ash trees. Tree surgeon done it a couple of years ago, but I said to the client, if we just keep on top of them now, you probably won't need to get a tree surgeon in. So we did that yesterday. But as I was working yesterday, I was kind of looking at other jobs that really could do with doing, and so what I did towards the end of the visit, I just sent an email to the director saying, you know, there's some other jobs that need doing. Would you like to discuss them, or would you like us just to come and do them? And I just got an email back within 10 minutes saying, just come and go as you want and do what you like, you know. So so we're here again just to bang some more work out. Anyway, I'll just show you a little bit on the task we're on this morning. Hi mate.
Good morning.
How are you today?
I'm alright.
Here we've got this long reach extendable telescopic chainsaw, haven't we, Mike? Here.
Yeah.
This is what it's called. I can't remember what they're called half the time, guys, but that's what it's called. Have a look at that. When's the last time we used this, Mike?
I probably would say probably this time last year, or probably about 8 months ago.
Let's get myself in the camera as well. Yeah, we haven't used this for quite a long time. And as I remember, it's a good starter, and we have honestly not started it yet. So, Mike, if you want to put it on the ground.
So all I've done is put fuel in it.
Yeah, all he's done is put fuel in it. Yeah, always best to start these big machines on the ground. That's it, Mike. Always good to turn it on, innit? That's it. It's alright, yeah. I'll lift that a bit. You got it? So that's not a bad start, is it, really, for 8 months hanging up in the container. Now, I'm not going to give you the big sell on this machine, and I don't even know if they sell these anymore, to be honest. What I would say, I bought this in 2013, so I've had it 9 years, and we only get it out when we really need it, and it is actually quite useful when we do need it. But it's really heavy, isn't it, Mike?
Yes.
Yeah, so if you're starting out in your business now, I suggest going battery straight away on something like this. They're going to be far lighter, and you can also get an edge cutter attachment, can't you, Mike, on the end of here?
Yeah.
And we've got one of them. We don't use it very often.
No.
Because if you use it to sort of reach out to do a wide edge, you can't hold it for very long, and you could actually really risk hurting your back when you're using this.
Yeah.
You know.
I'm not saying that it's heavy for this one.
Yeah. But it's good for sometimes on the edge cutter attachment when you want to get that really high bit on the side. So it's nice to have it as an option, but I wouldn't use it day in, day out, because you probably need to retire by the time you're 35. If you're younger than 35. So anyway, yeah, this is one of the extra tasks that I thought would be worth doing, is just to raise the canopy here and take some of these long branches out, just to open it up a bit. And also the grass should improve the way it grows here. I actually come along here with the mulching blade, the Oregon mulching blade, yesterday, and knocked all this down, so that did quite a good job. And also, because we mow here, there's a lot of brambles growing through here, and they were getting in Mike's way when he was mowing. And so, you know, we're doing jobs that are going to help us as well when we're doing the regular jobs. And they're ideal jobs for doing it this time of year, sort of January, February, because I can be here and it's not getting it, you know, it's not getting in the way of my regular work. So what we do, we'll just get set up, and then I'll do a little bit of footage of us cutting some down, and then I think that'll be it for today. At the moment, I tend to want to do a video, which I know I have time to do in the evening, so they're sort of time sensitive. You know, if you're watching these videos, they're more or less going to be on the same time I'm doing the jobs. And yeah, I hope you like these videos. So yeah, I'll just get you a bit more footage. Mike's just going to cut away some of the thinner growth here. And it's going to just give him a bit more room just to go in there and cut the bigger stuff. You find with some of these thinner branches, the chainsaw just sort of bounces off them. So also guys, we're going to do as much from the ground first before we get ladders out. So that's the whole reason for these telescopic pruning saws, is so you don't have to go on ladders. But if we do need a bit of extra light, we will actually use the ladders too. So Mike's nicely working along there, and while he's over there, I think I'm going to get the machine going, start doing a few cuts. What I'll do now is extend this and go a bit higher, see what else I can catch while my feet are still on the ground. I'm going to go all the way. I'm going to just extend it a bit and see what else I can catch. Spinning in there, spinning in there. Good thing about these visors, Mike, when you got them down, you can pull whatever face you want because people can't see what face you're making. So there's two of you working together. The second person is their job really is just to keep your path clear, so you're not going to be tripping over debris. But as you can see, there's quite a lot of debris there. Within about, you know, under 15 minutes of work. This ivy here, we'll just use the edge trimmers just to tidy that up. I'm not going to go too far up here because then you start going into tree surgery territory, so you've got to know your limits as well. I might not even get up on the steps. We'll just do what we can from the ground on this job, because where do you draw the line? There's quite a big limb coming out up there. I don't really fancy felling that, even though I could. There's plenty of space to do it, but I think at some point, if they really want to get these trees under control, they're going to have to get a tree surgeon in to take the tops out. But as they're not too close to a building or nobody's complaining about them, I can't see that happening anytime soon. What I'm also going to do is cut this ivy which is growing along the bottom of the trees, just to sew it down a bit. It's taking over a bit here. But then guys, time to end the video. Just show you the finished job. Michael just nearly fell off the bench.
When he broke it.
Still a bit of cleaning up to do, but yeah, it's looking better, more manageable. And I've cut into all the ivy that's growing up the trunks. And now me and Mike are going to have a picnic, ain't we, Mike?
Yeah. Cheers, thank you.
So if you like these videos, guys, please give us a like. Please subscribe if you haven't already, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye for now.